Morning, I am Beat Pushta from CSE B section. Here is I am discussing about the topic virtual memory from the subject DLCO. Here is the outline of that. Introduction, why virtual memory, how virtual memory works, importance of virtual memory, paging and segmentation, virtual memory versus physical memory, security implications, future trends, advantages and disadvantages, and conclusion. Next, we are moving to introduction slide. Virtual, virtual memory is a fundamental concept in modern computing that enables systems to use more memory than in physical available on a machine. Here are the key points to understand about virtual memory. Definition: virtual memory, a memory management technique that creates the illusion of a large contiguous memory space, allowing programs to run even when the physical memory is limited. Purpose: memory extension. It allows applications to access more memory than in physical installed by using disk space to stimulate additional RAM. Isolation and protection. Virtual memory provides a mechanical process from each other, enhancing security and stability. Here we are moving to why virtual memory. Virtual memory is essential for several key reasons. Extended memory capacity. It allows systems to use disk space to simulate additional RAM, enabling the execution of larger applications and multiplying and multiple processes concurrently even when physical memory is limited. Isolation and security. Each process operates in its own virtual memory address space, providing a layer of protection against inference and enhancing system stability and security. Here is the next point: efficient resource management. Virtual memory optimizes stored and accessed through techniques like paging and segmentation, reducing fragmentation and improving overall memory utilization. And next we are moving to next slide, that is how virtual memory works. Virtual memory is a memory management technique that allows a computer to use hard drive space as if it were additional RAM. This process helps manage larger applications and multitasking from more efficiently. Here is the breakdown of how it works. Address space. Each process has its own virtual memory address space which, which is divided into paging. This means the operating system can provide the illusion that the system has the more RAM than in physical does. Paging. When a program is run, its pages are loaded into RAM. If there isn't enough in RAM available, the operating system moves some pages that are not currently in use from RAM to a reverse space on a hard drive called the swipe file and page file. Next, we are moving to page table. The operating system maintains a page table for each process which keeps track of whether each virtual page is stored, whether it's RAM or hard disk. The table translates virtual addresses to physical addresses. Page faults. When a program tries to access a page that is not currently in RAM, the operating system steps into load the page from the hard drive back into RAM. This process can cause delays and accessing data from the disks in much slower than RAM. And next we are moving to trashing. If a system runs out of RAM and constantly swaps pages in and out, trashing where the system spends more time swapping the pages executing, resulting in poor information. And next, we are moving to importance of virtual memory. Virtual memory is crucial for several reasons. That is efficient memory utilization. If it allows systems to run larger applications than the available physical RAM by using hard space, enabling multitasking and better resource allocations. Isolation and protection. Each process operates in its own virtual address space, which enhances security and stability. If one process crashes, it doesn't affect others, preventing system-wide failures. Specialized programming model. Developers can write programs without worrying about the actual amount of physical memory available. This abstraction specifies programming and enhances probability. Next, we are increased flexibility. Virtual memory allows for dynamic allocations and deallocation of memory, accommodating varying memory demands of applications as they run. And next, enhanced performance. By keeping frequently accessed data in RAM while less data used in swapping of the disk, virtual memory can optimize overall system performance, particularly with large data sets. Support for larger address spacing, it enables 32-bit and 64-bit systems to access more memory than in physical installed, allowing for more efficient handling of large space and data sets. And next we are moving to cost-effective resource management. In summary, virtual memory plays a vital role in modern computing by enhancing performance, allowing for different memory management. And next we are moving to paging and segmentation. Paging and segmentation are two key techniques used in virtual memory management, each with distinct approaches to memory allocation and management. Paging concept. Paging divides the virtual memory into fixed size blocks called pages and the physical memory into corresponding blocks like frames. When a program is executed, its pages can loaded into any available frames in physical memory structure. Page table. The operating system maintains a page table for each process that maps virtual page numbers to physical page numbers. This table facilitates address installation. And next we are moving to fixed size. Pages and frames are typically of the two same size, making it easier to manage. Segmentation concept. Concept is segmentation divides the memory into variable sized segments based on the logical structure of the program. Each has function, arrays and data structures. Each segment can grow or shrink as needed. Structure. Segment table. The operating system maintains a segment table for each process of that maps segment numbers to physical addresses and the lengths, facilitating translation by variable size segments can be different sizes, reflects logical and organization of the program. Virtual memory versus physical memory. Physical memory definition. This refers to the actual RAM installed in a computer. It's the hardware that temporarily stores data in the CPU needs while performing tasks. Characteristics. Limited in size depending on the hardware configuration. Directly accessed by the CPU, providing fast access, data retrieval and execution. Virtual memory definition. This is an abstraction that allows the operating system to use hardware space to extend the available memory beyond the physical limits of RAM. It creates the illusion of the larger memory space. Characteristics. Enables programs to use multiple memory than is physical available in swapping of different data types. Next we are moving to provides memory protection and isolation between processes and stability and security, slower than physical memory. And next we are moving to security implications, memory isolation and exploitation risks. Protection between processes. Virtual memory ensures that each process has its own address spacing, preventing one process from access another's memory directly. The isolation is crucial for maintaining security, especially in multi-user environment. Exploitation risks, buffer overflow attacks. If a process can write it to its own memory space, it might exploit vulnerabilities. Address space layout recommendation. This is called ASLR. Memory systems use ASLR to randomize memory addresses, making it harder to attackers to predict where crucial data structures are located. Next, we are moving to future trends, increased integration with hardware, machine learning optimization. Next, advantage and disadvantage, increased memory capacity, isolation and protection, and efficient memory management. Next, we are moving to disadvantages, performance overhead, increased complexity, disk space usage. Next, conclusion. In conclusion, virtual memory is a crucial component for modern computing, enabling systems to effectively manage memory resources and enhance the performance of applications by allowing from the execution of larger processes than physical memory alone would support. It provides significant advantages such as increased capacity, improved process isolation, and specified programming. However, these benefits with challenges including potential performance overhead, complexity in management, and reliance and or slower disk storage. As technology evolves, ongoing achievements in hardware and algorithms with continue to shape virtual memory systems aiming to optimize performance while optimizing to the downsides. Thank you.